Storm Track 5 meteorologist Alina Lee has another look at what's in store for this upcoming week. And Alina, I heard you say fall, so what does that mean?
It means we may feel a little more like the season. I mean, we already hit meteorological fall September 1, obviously astronomical fall, not for another, what are we, day 9-4? So if it's 22nd, what, 18 days? All right, well, we're expecting that cooler temperatures to continue tonight into tomorrow morning, and then there's another cold front that's going to push through and give us another reinforcing shot of cooler air by the middle of the next week. Right now we're looking at rainfall totals, radar estimated rainfall totals, that is, so these are just estimations, not exact locations or weather stations or rain gauges to pick up on some rain. But overall, what I want you to take from this map is that we saw at least 2 to 4 inches area wide over the last 48 hours from those 2 big rounds of rain and storms. So certainly a significant amount to kick off September already. Our satellite and radar picture a lot drier now. The storms that are moving south and east will continue pushing that direction, and already some severe weather expected or possible as a new severe thunderstorm warning just got issued in southern Missouri. No longer going to be dealing with rain for us. You can see here live power Doppler. The green that we're looking at, that's just ground clutter, or also known as false echoes on the radar, picking up on maybe some dust or bugs, but nothing of precipitation or any of that as we look at the radar. But temperatures, they're still expected to get down into the upper 50s to low 60s by the time we head into sunrise tomorrow morning. The afternoon looks very nice with highs in the upper 70s to low 80s and a lot more sunshine around with a northerly wind of 5 miles per hour. But over the next few days after that, we're going to get a lot warmer, 85, 86 degrees on the table already Monday afternoon for Labor Day. And then we're going to see those highs climb closer to the upper 80s by Tuesday, just before the cold front arrives. I think the front's going to move in late Tuesday afternoon into the evening hours, dropping those numbers into the low 60s, maybe even upper 50s Wednesday or Thursday morning. But then we warm right back up again as this big ridge of high pressure starts to build and strengthen as it pushes eastward and moves into the central portion of the country. However, despite the up and downs with our temperatures, humidity levels should still be in check or stay moderate through the next few days. In fact, it should still be comfortable Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then when that front arrives, dropping those dew points and pushing even drier air in our direction with dew points in the middle 40s. That's some pretty dry air, definitely feeling more like fall as we head through the middle of the week. Meanwhile, in the tropics, there's one system out there that a lot of us have been watching over the last few days with zero impact expected to the eastern seaboard. If anything, it certainly will increase the risk for rip currents along the east coast here as we head through late next week. You'll notice it's not going to get closer to maybe even the tiny island of Bermuda right there until Thursday. But other than that, another little disturbance out in the Yucatan Peninsula. That one has a small chance of developing in the next 5 days. All right, Security Bank 7-day forecast, middle 80s Monday, upper 80s possible Tuesday. Again, we're going to fluctuate back and forth, generally staying in the 80s as we head through each and every afternoon. But next weekend, we got a potential or a shot possibly hitting 90 in some spots as we head through this time next week. Greg.
I should have known that you were going to do that.
Saw that coming. Yeah, I didn't see it.
All right,
Right.
Miranda Cosgrove, thank you so much for that weather